Direct mailer campaigns may seem old school to you, but I'm going to show you how we generated $45,000 of revenue for less than $5,000 of cost. We've all seen it. Google ads, Facebook ads, even TikTok. Prices keep climbing and your dollar doesn't go as far as it used to. It's easy to think the only way forward is digital, but sometimes the smartest move is to look back. Recently, we ran a targeted direct mail campaign for one of our clients, and the results speak for themselves. Here's what happened. The cost to design and mail these postcards was $4,797. The revenue it generated was over $45,000, meaning a profit margin of almost 90%. Now, we sent 10,900 postcards for an average cost per acquisition of 70%. And finally, an average revenue per customer of $665. That's nearly a 10-to-1 return. And here's the kicker, this wasn't some massive national brand with $1 million budget. This was a focused, strategic campaign. So why does direct mail still work? 3 big reasons, really. 1, tangibility. People physically hold your message, and that creates a connection most digital ads can't match. 2, there's just less noise. Digital channels are overflowing with ads, but your mailbox, not so much. And 3, targeting precision. When you use the right data, your offer goes exactly to the people most likely to respond. Now, in this campaign, we didn't just send generic postcards. Every piece was personalized and relevant to the recipient. That's why we saw such a strong response and why the average customer spent over 9 times the cost to acquire them. If your cost per click is climbing and your ROI is slipping, this is your wake-up call. Don't overlook proven methods just because they're not trendy. Diversify your marketing mix. Blend digital with tried and true strategies like direct mail, and you'll not only lower your acquisition cost, you'll create a more stable, reliable revenue stream. This campaign is the proof the right message to the right audience through the right channel still works, whether it's online or in their mailbox.